Okay, so can you hear me and can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I hope that the new topic, that is connectedness, is you feel that part is very easy, right? Because you have already seen this one in your calculus or in your real analysis course as well. So today we shall see some results on path connected. So if you have any doubt, obviously, so you just unmute and you can ask. Okay. So what is the definition of path connected? So first we define a path. So what is a path? So let X be a topological space. Okay. And take 2 points, say X and Y in the topological space X. Okay. So we say that, or we can write that a continuous map F, say from closed interval 0, 1 to X, is said to be a path from X to Y if f of 0 equal to X and f of 1 equal to Y. So that's mean this is your topological space X, this is your X, say this is your Y. Okay. So we say that there is a path from X to Y if there is a continuous function, say 0, 1 to F, such that when the F travels from this to this, then F travels to X to Y. Okay. So this one goes to this. It is a path. Okay. So that's when path means it is a continuous function. And it is from to, what does it mean by that? So when we say that a path from X to Y, that's mean it is that at the initial point 0, the value is X, and at the end point, the value is Y. Okay, then we say that F is a path from X to Y. Now, when we say a topological space is path connected, now a topological space is said to be path connected if for any 2 points X and Y, in X there is a path. There is a path between them. Okay, that's when suppose you have a topological space X and you choose any two arbitrary points, and then if you always have a path from X to Y, then we say that the topological space is path connected. Now first of all, is there any strict restriction on the domain? The domain should be 0, 1. Is it? What do you feel?
No, sir.
Right. So we can replace the domain 0, 1 by any closed interval AB. Okay. So this is one. Now another result is okay. I wanted to ask, but I forgot. Okay, love it. I forgot what I wanted to ask. Okay, right. So this is done. So this is the definition of path connected. Okay. Now there is a result. We will prove now that path connected imply connected. Okay, so now we prove that path connected will imply connected. Now this proof is also simple. Can you just guess it? Path connected, why it should imply connected? Can you guess it?
So it can follow from the fact that the domain interval is connected, so its image will be connected.
No, but this is not a surjective one, right? Now, if 01 is
We can
connected, so this
follow
path is
counter-positive.
connected. Right. See, so suppose if possible, suppose X has a separation. Okay, separation means X equal to A union B, where A comma B both are non-empty, A comma B both are open, A intersection B is empty. Right? First we assume that. Now since A and B are non-empty, so we can take one point from A and one point from B. Right? Now given that X is path connected, now since X is path connected, so there is a path f 01 to x such that f of 0 equal to a and f of 1 equal to b, right? Now you can check that what is f of 01, what is the image of this. This is subset of x, right? And x is a union b, so therefore f of 01 can be written as a intersection this union B intersection this. Now can you see that this forms a separation? First of all, what does it mean? This forms a separation. Now A intersection this is open in this because A is open in X, right? So therefore A intersection this is open in this. Similarly, B intersection this is open in this. So these two conditions satisfied. Why they are non-empty? Why they are non-empty? Because A belongs to this. Right? So both are non-empty. And obviously they are disjoint. So this forms a separation. Now this forms a separation. Now which is a contradiction. Now this is a contradiction. Why this is a contradiction? Because 0, 1 is connected as 0, 1 is connected imply f of 0, 1 is connected. Right? So we assume that if X is not connected, then this is also not connected, which is not true, right? So therefore, X must be connected. Okay, is that fine to everyone? That is simple. Now, what about the converse? Can you see that connected will imply path connected? What about the converse? Yes or no? What is your guess? You don't have any guess?
So I think no. I think no, because open interval 0 1 is connected, and I think there doesn't exist any function.
No, that is not connected as well. Okay, anyway, now we will give an example
Sir, if
that
you
that
take
is not true.
the set to be 1 comma 2, and the topology we take is phi singleton 1 and whole of the x, then this set is connected but not path connecting.
No, that is not even path connected
uh, how so?
because X does not have any separation, right?
X does not have any separation, so x is connected, right?
No, sorry. What is your top X?
X is any 2 point set,
Okay, okay.
and the
There and you
topology
have empty set, capital X and singleton X.
and singleton a 3 point
Right.
topology.
Huh. So that is connected, but why that is not path connected?
Because if I take this open set to be singleton 1 and the other member is 2, then I cannot form a continuous map from singleton 1 to 2 such that 0 goes to 1 and 1 goes to 2. No?
Your tau is this one, right?
Yes, sir.
Huh. And now what you are saying that F is 0, 1 to F.
Such that 0 goes to A
Hmm?
and 1 goes to B.
Sir, is it a topology? Hello, sir.
Yes.
X intersection singleton A will be B now. Is it topology?
No, but that is now why what is the problem? Why that is not a topology? No, I'm asking.
Sir, in finite intersection, the topology is closed now.
Finally, this is open. That forms a topology. I did not see any problem here. It is fine. If you take only singleton A, then it changes in A itself. What is the problem? Okay, anyway, so here. So this is your example. Now your X is 8. Now for other points, what how you will define for open 0, 1? f0 equal to a, f1 equal to b. So what are the other possibility? Means do you want to define?
I didn't think about that, sir.
Okay. তো নেট সময় Okay. Now in that case, you just think about that. Now you have to define, right? You have to define the points at 0 less than x less than 1. At that point, you have to define that. Either A or B. You first define that, and then you can see that is it you need a continuous function, right? Obviously. That's mean inverse image of open set should be open. Now your singleton A is open, so its inverse image should be open. You have to think that one as well. And then in that way, you have to construct first a continuous function.
सर यहाँ ट्राउट टोपोलॉजी भी तो नहीं है, एक्स इंटरसेक्शन सिंगलटन ए बी होगा ना सर, सिंगलटन बी ओपन सेट वो बिलोंग नहीं कर रहा है ना
X
टोपोलॉजी में,
intersection singleton A.
सिंगलटन बी हो गया है ना सर.
A कैसे इंटरसेक्शन होता है तुम्हारा? X intersection A तो यही होगा ना?
Sir,
Yes, sir,
actually,
yes.
he's confused with complement.
क्यों कॉम्प्लीमेंट क्यों लेना है?
Nini, I am
हाँ.
saying he is confused with complement.
ओ ओके ओके हाँ. नहीं इंटरसेक्शन में यही होता है क्योंकि प्रॉपर सबसेट है ना कि सिंगलटन is a proper subset of X. So this should be A. Anyway, that is simple set theory. I should not talk about this. Okay. Anyway, so we will give one example later. So that is a not an easiest easy one, because otherwise every you can see almost every connected set is also path connected in general most of the sets, but that is not true in general. So you can construct some connected set which is not path connected, but those examples are not easy.
सर
हाँ
सर टोपोलॉजिकल साइन करो.
हाँ वही है, वो हम डिफाइन करेंगे देन हम एक्सप्लेन भी करेंगे.
ओके.
Okay. Now there is another. This is simple, very simple. So theorem. So let f x to y be a continuous function and given that x is path connected. Now then we prove that fx is also path connected. ठीक है? That's mean the image of a path connected set under the continuous function is also path connected. Now this proof is very simple. Can you give me a quick proof of that?
If G is the path in X, then if compose
Right, but you cannot take a path for in X. You have to take some points in here as well. So first of all, what we will do? We will take 2 points X and Y in fx first. Okay. So take X and Y belongs to f of X. Okay. Now we will see that. So we will show that there is a path between X to Y. So how to prove that? Now first of all, since X and Y are in fx, so there exists A and B belongs to X such that f of A equal to X and f of B equal to Y. That's mean for this X we should have some A, for this we have some B. Okay, so that f A. so that A goes to X, B goes to Y. The inverse image of X can be can have more than 1 points, but we can choose only one. Okay. ऐसा मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि F जो है ये 1-1-1-2 मैप है, सॉरी 1-1 मैप है, मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ। ऐसा हो ही सकता है कि इनवर्स इमेज ऑफ X में बहुत सारे एलिमेंट्स है। सपोज मान लो और एक एलिमेंट है A डैश जो X में जा रहा है, बट हमें क्या करना है कि बस एक ही एलिमेंट लेना है, ठीक है। Now since X is path connected, so there exists a path G 0, 1 to X such that G of 0 equal to X, sorry A, and G of 1 equal to B. Now take the path H, which is your F comma G. Now this is a path from, this is a 0, 1 to Fx. Right, now you can check that F of 0 equal to F of actually F of G of 0, and G of 0 is X, A, so that is X, and H of 1 equal to F of B, that is Y. So हम 0, 1 to एक पाथ लेंगे G जो इसको यहाँ पे भेज रहा है, and then F इसको यहाँ पे भेज रहा है। बस हो गया, बहुत ही सिंपल सा प्रूफ है। Is that fine with everyone? Yes, कोई डाउट है तो बताओ, और अगर फाइन है तब भी बताओ कि ठीक है।
Fine, sir.
Okay. Now that is very interesting theorem actually. Why that is very interesting? Sometimes मान लो कि एक स्पेस है जिसको पाथ कनेक्टेड दिखाना है, बट तुम्हें पता नहीं है कि कैसे पाथ कनेक्टेड उसको दिखाना है, क्योंकि तुम्हें उसके पाथ के बारे में कुछ आइडिया नहीं है। तो तुम क्या कर सकते हो, तुम एक डोमेन दिखा सकते हो जिसका इमेज होगा वो वाला टोपोलॉजिकल स्पेस, देन तुम इसको पाथ कनेक्टेड दिखा दो, एंड देन बोल दो कि सिंस दिस इज पाथ कनेक्टेड and that set that space is a continuous image of those topological space, so this is path connected. For an example, suppose हमें ये प्रूव करना है कि SN पता है SN क्या है?
Sphere in n dimension.
Right, n+1 in R n+1 such that x1 square xn square equal to 1, ये वाला है। सपोज इसको दिखाना है कि पाथ कनेक्टेड है, तो तुम कैसे दिखाओगे? तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम ये दिखाएंगे, जो सिंपल से अप्रोच, so Rn+1 minus 0, this is path connected. Now इसको path connected कैसे दिखाओगे? Take any 2 points in set में Rn+1 minus 0, 0, ठीक है, 2 पॉइंट लो, अब मतलब दिस टाइप के R2 में मैं देख रहा हूँ R2, टेक कोई भी 2 पॉइंट्स, मान लो कि 2 पॉइंट्स ऐसा है कि तुम्हारा लाइन सेगमेंट करने से ये 0 से पास हो रहा है, सपोज मान लो, देन क्या करोगे? देन नाउ इफ line containing x and y passes through 0, 0. Then take another point. Take another point Z, not in the line, not in that line. Suppose मान लो कि तुम्हारा x है, suppose मान लो कि y है, then ले लो a z, then तुम x to z में एक पाथ डिफाइन करो and z to y एक पाथ डिफाइन करो, तो एक पाथ हो गया. Right? Now then take a path x to z and z to y. A path ले लो. So this is case 1. A केस हो सकता है और क्या केस हो सकता है? केस 2 कि the line containing x and y not does not pass through 0. Then क्या करोगे? Now then take path, just a path ले लो. F 0 1 to x such that f of t equal to 1 minus tx plus ty. This is a path from x to y. So that's mean this is path connected. So Rn plus 1 minus this is path connected. Okay, कोई प्रॉब्लम? सिंपल सा है. क्या करना है कि आर एन -1 0 0 में कोई भी 2 पॉइंट लेना है. तो मान लो कि जो लाइन पासिंग थ्रू दो पॉइंट होगा, वो लाइन अगर 0 0 से पास नहीं कर रहा है, ठीक है, देन हमें बस जो लाइन सेगमेंट होगा उस लाइन सेगमेंट को ही पाथ बोल देंगे. यही पाथ है हमारा. बट मान लो कि केस ऐसे हो सकता है कि जो लाइन होगा कॉन्टेनिंग दोस 2 पॉइंट, वो लाइन 0 से पास हो रहा है, देन तो हम ये लाइन नहीं ले सकते ना, क्योंकि वो लाइन तो टोपोलॉजिकल स्पेस में नहीं रहेगा. देन हम क्या करेंगे? देन और भी एक दूसरा पॉइंट लेंगे जेड, एंड देन हम ऐसे पाथ लेंगे, लाइन सेगमेंट लेंगे एक्स टू जेड एंड जेड टू वाई, देन हमें एक पाथ मिल गया. इज दैट फाइन टू एवरीवन? Okay. Now tell me, by using this, how can you show that Sn is path connected? बताओ.
Rn माइनस 0 0 इसका डोमेन है क्या? डोमेन है.
हाँ, तो तुम कैसे दिखाओगे? वही तो मैं पूछ रहा हूँ कि हमने अभी Rn माइनस दिस को ये कनेक्टेड हमने दिखा दे, ये दिस इज पाथ कनेक्टेड हमने प्रूव कर दिया. हम अभी दिखाना है कि Sn पाथ कनेक्टेड, तो हम कैसे दिखाएंगे?
x1 x2 dot xn. I define the function f such that f of x1 x2 dot xn equals to x1 by root over summation xi square, comma x2 by root over summation x square. Xi square.
एग्जैक्ट. तो हमने क्या करना है? जस्ट नाउ define a function f Rn plus 1 minus 0 to Sn defined by f of x bar equal to x bar by norm of x bar. बस हो गया. ये कॉन्टिन्यूअस है, हमें पता है. तुम सीक्वेंस भी दिखा सकते हैं कॉन्टिन्यूअस है. नाउ देन f is continuous and f of दिस इज सर्जेक्टिव मैप, दिस इज हो जाता है SN। नाउ सिंस R n plus 1 minus 0 is connected, or say path connected, so SN is path connected. हम डायरेक्ट भी प्रूव कर सकते हैं, बट ये ज्यादा सिंपल है। ठीक है, तो ऐसे हम दिखा सकते हैं कि SN is path connected। नाउ सिंपल, और भी एक सिंपल प्रॉब्लम है, एग्जांपल जो हमने मुझे पहले करना चाहिए था। सपोज मान लो कि RN is path connected, कैसे दिखाओगे?
Line joining 2 points forms a path.
Exactly. Just take for x bar y bar in Rn, just take f of t equal to 1 minus t x bar plus t y bar। शो हो गया, दिस इज पाथ कनेक्टेड, है ना। अभी मान लो कि Rn माइनस, ओके R2 मान लेता हूं, ठीक है। सो R2 माइनस से 1, जो 3 पॉइंट्स है, x1 x2 xn, ओके 3 n पॉइंट्स हमने छोड़ दिया R2 से। ये भी कनेक्टेड होगा कि नहीं होगा?
Yes sir.
कैसे होगा?
क्योंकि फाइनाइट नंबर ऑफ पॉइंट्स हैं, इनको एक्सक्लूड करके जैसे मैंने ऊपर z पॉइंट लिया था, मैं ऐसे ही z ले लूंगा, वहां से बन जाएगा।
नहीं ले सकते हो, कैसे लोगे तुम? कैसे लोगे, वही तो मैं पूछ रहा हूँ, कैसे लोगे? अच्छा, और भी बोल देता हूँ, सुनिए। सपोज मतलब R2 माइनस Q क्रॉस Q, रैशनल क्रॉस रैशनल, सब कुछ R2 से निकल रहा हूँ, अभी ये कनेक्टेड होगा?
नो सर।
हाँ, ये सर नो होगा, नहीं हुआ होगा?
यस सर, होगा।
क्यों होगा?
वैसे इंट्यूटिवली लगा।
हाँ, कोई प्रूफ, आइडिया?
सर होगा कनेक्टेड, जैसे x क्रॉस y के लिए प्रूव करा था, तो सिंस r कनेक्टेड है तो हम इरेशनल का एक पॉइंट लेंगे, मतलब सपोज q, तो सिंगलटन q क्रॉस r और उन सब का यूनियन, तो जो ऊपर वाला कंस्ट्रक्शन था x क्रॉस y के लिए, उससे शायद हो सकता
हाँ, तो बिल्कुल सिंपल से एक अप्रोच बताता हूँ, सिंपल से। सपोज मान लो कि कोई भी 2 पॉइंट लिए हो x एंड y फ्रॉम दिस, ओके, से x एंड y फ्रॉम दिस, कोई भी 2 पॉइंट्स। अभी बोलो कि ये जो x और y जो 2 पॉइंट्स है, और x बार y बार दे देता हूँ, देखने में अच्छा लगता है। अभी बताओ कि x बार को कंटेन करके कितना लाइन रहेगा? ये तुम्हारा अभी x बार, इसको कंटेन करके कितना नंबर ऑफ लाइन रहेगा? एक ही लाइन रहेगा, 2 लाइन रहेगा, 3 लाइन रहेगा, फाइनाइट लाइन रहेगा, इनफाइनाइट लाइन रहेगा, कितना लाइन रहेगा x को, x बार को कंटेन करके?
इनफाइनाइट।
इनफाइनाइट रहेगा। तो किस टाइप का इनफाइनाइट रहेगा, काउंटेबल क्या अनकाउंटेबल?
अनकाउंटेबल।
राइट। तो x बार को कंटेन करके अनकाउंटेबल लाइन रहेगा, है ना। तो ये जो q क्रॉस q पॉइंट से, ये काउंटेबल है कि अनकाउंटेबल है? q क्रॉस q
काउंटेबल।
काउंटेबल। सो दैट्स मीन x बार को कंटेन करके अनकाउंटेबल मैनी लाइन रहेगा ना जो इसको टच नहीं करेगा। तो हमें क्या करना है, कोई भी एक लाइन लेना है ऐसा, which is not passing through q क्रॉस q। ये हमें मिलेगा, ऑलवेज मिलेगा। क्यों मिलेगा? क्योंकि देयर आर infinitely many lines passing through x bar, right? But these points are countable because this is countable, but l x bar, that is lines passing through x bar, is countable or uncountable. Okay, now similarly मान लो कि और एक है y bar। सिमिलरली y बार को कंटेन करके इनफाइनेटली मैनी लाइन रहेगा जो नॉट पासिंग थ्रू q क्रॉस q। तो हमें ऐसे एक लाइन लेना है जो वर्टिकल नहीं है, ठीक है, सो वर्टिकल लाइन नहीं है। तो ऐसे तो एक लाइन मिलेगा ही, हमें ए लाइन नहीं लेना है, तो बाकी कोई भी लाइन ले लो, ओनली वर्टिकल छोड़ के। तो ऐसे कोई भी एक लाइन ले लेंगे तो ये इंटरसेक्ट कर जाएगा, तो इसको मानेंगे जेड। तो हमें एक पाथ मिल गया, x to z then z to x y bar। So we are done. So that's mean R2 minus Q cross Q, that is connected. In fact, this is path connected. सबको समझ में आया?
सर
हाँ
सर थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन करेंगे, जैसे अगर √2, 0 या फिर √2, √3 पॉइंट ले लेते हैं और फिर हमें √3।
नहीं नहीं ठीक है, वो ऐसे भी तुम कर सकते हो, बट उतना कॉम्प्लिकेट में क्यों जाना है? हम बस काउंटेबल अनकाउंटेबल आर्गुमेंट देके डायरेक्टली बोल सकते हैं ना। जैसे कि मान लो कि एक्स बार को कंटेन करके तुम्हारे इनफाइनेटली मैनी लाइन से, हमें पता है इनफाइनेटली मैनी लाइन से, है ना,
यस
एंड क्यू क्रॉस क्यू काउंटेबल है। तो इसका मतलब एक्स बार को कंटेन करके, है ना, एटलीस्ट दो लाइन रहेगा ही। इनफैक्ट अनकाउंटेबली मैंने लाइन रहेगा जो नॉट पासिंग थ्रू क्यू क्रॉस क्यू। हमें बस दो लाइन ही चाहिए। तो एक लाइन मान लो कि परपेंडिकुलर है, मान लो कि है, तो फिर एक लाइन ऐसे मिलेगा ही, एटलीस्ट वन लाइन मिलेगा ऐसा जो परपेंडिकुलर वाला नहीं है, वाई एक्सिस वाला नहीं, मतलब पैरेलल टू वाई एक्सिस नहीं है। देन हम कोई भी एक लाइन ऐसे चूज कर लो जो पैरेलल टू वाई एक्सिस नहीं है, देन हमने ले लिया एक ये ब्लैक
सर,
वाला।
ये कैसे हम गारंटी करेंगे कि भाई एक एक अनपैरेलल लाइन मिल जाएगी हमें, मतलब जब।
कौन सा? ए वाला ब्लैक ए क्यों मिलेगा?
यस सर।
क्योंकि एक्स बार को कंटेन करके अनकाउंटेबली मैनी लाइन से, अनकाउंटेबल नंबर ऑफ लाइन है।
गॉट इट सर, गॉट इट।
हाँ, बट तुम R2 से ओनली काउंटेबल नंबर को डिलीट कर रहे हो, तो
बट
मतलब
ये Q क्रॉस Q R2 में डेंस होता है ना?
डेंस होता तो क्या हुआ?
बट सर
बट हाँ, डेंस होगा तो कोई बात नहीं है, बट काउंटेबल है।
सर इन लाइंस में होल्स नहीं होंगे क्या?
नहीं नहीं नहीं, लाइंस में क्यों होल्स होगा?
नहीं मतलब ये क्यू क्रॉस क्यू के कुछ तो पॉइंट्स कंटेन करेंगी।
नहीं तो ऐसे
ऐसा
थोड़ी ना
क्यों सर?
जरूरी
ये
है।
चीज गारंटी कैसे करेंगे हम?
तो वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि तुम्हारे पास ऐसे अनकाउंटेबली मैनी लाइंस है, तो अनकाउंटेबली मैंने, मान लो कि क्यू क्रॉस क्यू का हर एक पॉइंट इसमें एक एक करके कंटेन हो रहा है, तो बात तुम्हें तो एक अनकाउंटेबल डिफरेंट लाइंस मिल रहा है ना, और तुम बस काउंटेबल मैनी पॉइंट से छोड़ रहे हो, डिलीट कर रहे हो R2 से। तो तुम्हें ऐसा एक लाइन मिलेगा जिसका हर एक पॉइंट इरेशनल होगा।
सर कोई एक एग्जांपल दे सकते हो, कोई एक लाइन बता सकते हैं, ऐसी क्लियर हो जाएगा।
हाँ जरूर, तुम ले लो। तुम्हारा क्या है, कौन सा आगे? तुम पहले तुम्हें फिर एक्स चूज करना है, एक्स बार चूज करना है।
√2, √3 ले लो सर।
एक्स बार को, एक्स बार,
यस सर।
ओके। तो तुम्हें लाइन के इक्वेशन चाहिए कि जो जिसमें इरेशनली होगा।
यस सर।
ओके, तो तुम अगर √2, y ले लो, where y belongs to r।
सर ये तो पैरेलल नहीं हो जाएगी वाई एक्सिस के?
अच्छा, हमें पैरेलल नहीं चाहिए है ना, ठीक है। तो तुम एक ले लो x, √3, x belongs to r। नोट दैट हम बस q क्रॉस q को डिलीट कर रहा हूं, तो फिर एक रैशनल एक इरेशनल हो सकता
गॉट इट सर।
है ना। तो ऐसे बहुत बहुत मिल जाएगा तुम्हें। ठीक है,
ठीक है सर।
ओके। ओके एनीवे, दिस इस टाइप का कॉम्प्लिकेटेड प्रॉब्लम अभी इसमें नहीं देंगे, माइनर में नहीं देंगे, क्योंकि माइनर में तो असाइनमेंट सॉल्व नहीं होगा ना इसका, कनेक्टेडनेस का। पर इस टाइप के प्रॉब्लम मेजर में रहेगा, ठीक है। बट टुडे राइट, माइनर का सिलेबस तो मैंने भेज ही दिया हूँ अप टू पाथ कनेक्टेड, मतलब अप टू टुडेस लेक्चर। तो नेक्स्ट डे भी जो हम करेंगे थर्सडे, वो नहीं रहेगा माइनर में। अब माइनर में कनेक्टेड और पाथ कनेक्टेड से क्वेश्चन रहेगा, बट सिंपल सा, और जो मैंने क्लास में मतलब किया हूँ बेस्ड ऑन दैट। ओके, but this type of problem will not be there. This type of problem means this R2 minus Q cross Q, in that will not be there. But there will be problem which I did in the class, that similar problem that can be. Okay, or a intermediate value, intermediate value property. Now what is that? So it says just, so let f x to y be a continuous map where x is connected and y has order topology. Order topology. Okay. Now let AB belongs to X. Now it says then F attains every values between FA and FB. Did you get the question? So you have also seen that intermediate value property in that real analysis as well. It says that f is a function, continuous function from x to y, where x is connected and y has order topology. Then f attains every value between fa and fb. And in real analysis course, you have seen that this is true for any function from R to R. Now remember that R is connected and also R has the order topology. So that works for the R from R as well. So you can take x with x equal to R with usual topology and y equal to R with usual topology, right? Because R with usual topology is connected as well as it is same as order topology. But in general, you can replace that X is any connected topological space and Y is any order topology. Why we need order topology? Otherwise, we cannot say this one, that between FA and FB. That's mean we should have an order. Okay. Now here is the proof. So if fa equal to some r, okay. So first what we can take, so without loss, we can take that f of a less than f of b. Okay, because if f of a equal to f of b, then there is nothing to prove, right? So without loss, we can take that f of a less than f of b, and let f of a less than r less than f of b. Okay, now we claim that there exists a c in X such that f of c equal to r. Okay, then we are done. Is that fine with everyone? See, if we can prove this, then we are done. Now, if possible, there is no c such that f of c equal to r. So हमने assume कर लेता कि कोई भी c होगा ही नहीं जिसके लिए f of c equal to r है. ऐसा कोई c exist ही नहीं करता है. Okay, then what does it mean? That's mean then f of x can be written as, so okay, so that's mean r is not in f of x, right? Subset of y. So r क्या है? f of x में नहीं है ना? So that's mean f of x can be written as minus infinity comma r intersection fx union of r comma infinity intersection f of x. We can write this. Is it clear to everyone? है ना? क्या कर रहे हैं हम? A क्या है? What is this interval? This is not interval in R. What does it mean? So that's mean all the y in y such that y less than R. And this means all the y belongs to y such that y bigger than R. So that is the meaning of this. Right? Now since y, R is not in f of x, so f of x can be written as this. Now you can see that both are disjoint. It is easy to see. And both are non-empty. Why both are non-empty? Can you tell me why both are non-empty? Can you give me one element of this one?
So first one is FA and second is FB.
Right. So both are non-empty. Both are open sets. Why this is open? Because this is an open set in Y, right? In order topology and intersection with Fx. So this is an open set in Fx. This is an open set in Fx. Both are non-empty. Both are disjoint. And their union is f of x. So that implies f of x is disconnected. Now this is a contradiction. Why? Because x is connected and f is continuous map. So fx should be connected. A contradiction as x is connected and f is continuous. So fx must be connected. So if possible, we assume that there is no c such that f of c equal to 1. So this statement is wrong. So therefore, there exists c in x such that f of c equal to 1. So we are done. Any problem? Is that fine to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this is another interesting actually. So now we prove we solve two problems. So first of all, first problem, order square is not path connected. Do you remember what is order square? So this is this. So order square means 0, 1 cross 0, 1 with dictionary order topology. Okay, we will prove that this is not path connected. So now if possible, this is path connected. Okay, and we will get a contradiction. So now since we assume that this is path connected, so there is a path from 0 cross 0 to 1 cross 1. That's mean there exists a continuous function, continuous map f 0, 1 to this such that f of 0 equal to this 0 cross 0 and f of 1 equal to 1 cross 1. Now tell me, you have a path from this to this. Now what kind of path it will be? Can you draw the path? Do you remember what kind of path? So how
So
to
straight
draw?
lines.
Straight lines, this one. This is a path.
No,
Parallel to
sir.
I.
Parallel lines, sir.
This is a path or not?
No, sir.
No. Now this is a path.
No, sir.
No. So then what kind of path it will be? It should be goes to this and then we will start again somewhere from here. We don't know where to start. Somewhere to this, somewhere to this. It is goes like this way infinitely many times, right? And then ultimately we stop here. If there is a path, then this path should be in this way, right? Should be in this way. So that's mean, okay, now what we'll do, what we'll do, okay. Now we, for a particular x, we choose this path, this one, this segment, okay. So for x belongs to 0, 1, take that singleton x cross open interval 0, 1. So that is this one, right? So which is same as x cross 0, comma x cross 1. Both are same, right? Now this is open. Now this is open in I2. This is an open set in I2, right? Now let ux equal to f of inverse this one. X cross 0, x cross 0, comma x cross 1. F inverse this. We call this is ux. Then ux is open in where? Close interval 0, 1. Is that clear? Ux is open in close interval 0, 1. Now take y which is not equal to x. Then uy will be f of inverse y cross 0, comma y cross 1, that one. Now again is open in 0, 1. Now ux intersection uy. What is that? Can you tell me what is this intersection? So there is some y, and this is the inverse image of this. What is this intersection?
Empty.
It should be empty, right? Now this is your uy, and this is your ux. Why? Because that is f inverse. You can write in this way: intersection f inverse singleton y cross 0, 1. So therefore it is f inverse. So x cross 0, 1 intersection singleton y cross 0, 1. So therefore it is f inverse empty. So therefore it is empty. So this is empty. Okay. So for any two x and y, we have ux intersection uy is empty. But what is ux? But ux is an open set in 0, 1. You can say is a non-empty open set. Right? Now let qx be a rational number in ux. This is true for all x belongs to 0, 1. Okay? So that's when qx belongs to ux. Now for x not equal to y in 0, 1, what can you say about qx and qy? Can they be equal?
No.
No. Why? Because for any x we have in ux, this y we have intersection ey, they are disjoint, and we choose qx from here, qy from here. So for any disjoint x, distinct x and y, we have two distinct rational numbers. So this must be not equal to this. Now we already get a contradiction. Can you tell me which contradiction we get?
Number of rational number between 0 1 will be uncountable.
Exactly. So that's mean, see, for any x not equal to y in this, we have two distinct rational numbers. So therefore, we have a map from this to rational number q defined by h of x equal to qx. This map is 1, 1. Now that implies q is uncountable. This is a contradiction. So we assume that order square is path connected, and we get a contradiction. So we get if order square is path connected, then q should be uncountable, which is not true. So therefore the order square cannot be path connected. Fine to everyone? Now this is also one example. Now we will see that this is connected because it satisfies some property, something called linear continuum. So being a linear continuum, it is connected, but it is not path connected. Okay, so you will see that this is connected later. Now this is one example of connected but not path connected topological space. Okay. Now we give another example, that topological sine curve. Okay. Is connected but not path connected. Okay. Now this one. So what is now the set S? We take x cross sine 1 by x. Okay, where your x is this. Now what is this? This is subset of R2. Okay, now this is a topological space X. Now can you see that S is connected or not? Yes or no? Is it connected?
Yes.
Is it path connected? Is it path connected? Yes or no? Yes, no, yes, no. What? Path connected or not?
I think yes, sir.
Yes, because why I think is you should be confident because you will be face this kind of problem because this is a continuous function. So you can write f of hx equal to, okay, or you can write here this is your R2. So in S is this and here S equal to this one. Now that 0 1 interval this is connected or it is path connected and S is the continuous image of this. So therefore this is path connected as well. And why H is continuous? Because each component this and this both are continuous. Okay. So S is a image of a continuous function. So therefore S is connected as well as path connected. Now here S is connected and path connected. As H is continuous and 0 1 is connected or path connected. Okay, fine. Right. Now take S closure. Now is it connected? S closure? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because we have proved that if A is connected then A closure is connected, right? Now S closure is connected. Now what is S closure? S closure is S union the set 0 cross minus 1 comma 1. This. Why you can ask why? Because now look at this curve. This one, what is that? So that is 0. So that is 1. Okay. Now what was that map path actually? So it start from 1. Say it is sine 1. 1 cross sine 1. See this. And it is goes like this. Something. And near 0, it is oscillate in this way. It will not touch that this line, but it is oscillating right near 0. Now look at, if you take any point here and if you take a small neighborhood, this, then that small neighborhood should contain some point of that curve. So therefore these are limit points of S. So therefore S closure equal to S union this. Is it clear why each point of this one, this vertical line, are limit points of S? Yes. Now we claim that S bar, S closure is not path connected. Now this is called topological sine curve. Okay, so this is not path connected, we will prove. Now how to prove this is not path connected? First of all, we take this line and take inverse image of that. Now that line, this, now can you tell me this is closed set, right, in R2? So therefore F inverse this is a closed set in where? Oh, first of all, I have not defined F, right? Right. First we define F. Okay. Now is that clear? Now what we will do? So now let X be a point in this. So first of all, if possible, let. So if possible, let S bar is path connected. So what we do? We take X belongs to that vertical line. Okay. And take Y belongs to S. Okay, better it is, you can take Y belongs to Y, you can take the in point. In point means you can take 1 sine 1. It is better. Okay, so take this. So take X equal to X belongs to some point in that vertical line and take Y equal to the in point. Now since we assume that this is path connected, so there is a path, say F, we can write AB to S bar such that F of 0 A equal to X and F of B equal to Y. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you should ask. If you cannot follow this proof, then we have to repeat, right? So if you have any doubt, you should ask. Otherwise, there is no
Sir,
meaning of doing this one.
सर
Yes.
यस क्लोजर में थोड़ा डाउट है. आई थिंक यस क्लोजर यस
हाँ.
यूनियन 0,0 आएगा.
0,0.
0.
हाँ हाँ 0,0 तो इसमें है, बट ए पॉइंट भी आएगा.
क्योंकि हम उस फंक्शन का लिमिट 0 के नेबरहुड में निकालेंगे तो
हाँ
लिमिट एग्जिस्ट होगा और 0,0 आएगा x इंटू साइन 1 बाई एक्स का।
राइट सी क्या होगा, ये तुम्हारा ए क्या है, जब तुम्हारा x टेंस टू 0 होगा, ठीक है, साइन 1/x क्या होगा, ए -1 to 1 के बीच ऑक्सीलेट करेगा।
वैरी करेगा।
हाँ, तो इसका मतलब अगर तुम मान लो कि ये पॉइंट लेते हो वर्टिकल लाइन में कोई भी एक पॉइंट, अगर तुम एक स्मॉल नेबरहुड ऐसे लेते हो, तो जो है ना ये नेबरहुड है, ये जो जो ऑक्सीलेट कर रहा है उसको टच कर जाएगा, क्योंकि इसमें तुम्हारा कुछ डेल्टा ज्यादा पॉइंट रहेगा यहाँ पे। तो वो जो पॉइंट होगा ना, पहले मान लो कि एक नेबरहुड है ये पॉइंट, तुम इसका प्रोजेक्शन ले लो, तो ये प्रोजेक्शन, इसका प्रोजेक्शन 0 में होगा क्या, एक ओपन इंटरवल होगा डेल्टा नेबरहुड 0 का। अब 0 का डेल्टा नेबरहुड में जो है ना एक्स, वहां का जो एक्स होगा, तो तुम्हारा उस एक्स के लिए साइन 1/x ऊपर में चला जाएगा, मतलब ऑक्सीलेट होता रहेगा एक्स साइन 1/x। तो ये जब ऑक्सीलेट करेगा, यहाँ पे तुम जो पॉइंट ये जो नेबरहुड ले रहे हो, इस नेबरहुड भी के साथ भी ये इंटरसेक्ट हो जाएगा।
सर आई थिंक x साइन 1 बाई एक्स लेस देन x हो जाएगा, लेस देन इज इक्वल टू x हो जाएगा इन नेबरहुड ऑफ 0।
एक्स साइन, no no,
x साइन
it is
1
it
बाई
is
एक्स
not it is not product, it is not product, it is not x cross sin 1 by, it is not that, it is a order pair,
ओके ओके गॉट इट।
it is a ordered pair. I am not saying that it is a product, it is this one. Okay,
ओके सर थैंक यू।
हम मुंक्रेस का किताब में हम ऐसे लिखते हैं, क्योंकि अभी जब जब ऑर्डर टोपोलॉजी है ना, अदरवाइज कॉन्फ्यूज हो जाएगा इसलिए। जैसे कि हम यहाँ पे भी डोनेट किया हूँ, यहाँ पे भी डोनेट किया, मतलब डिनोट किया हूँ ऐसे, सो हम ऐसे डिनोट करते हैं। ओके, तो क्या करना है हमें, हमें एक्स पॉइंट लेना है इस वर्टिकल लाइन से, ओके, एंड वाई को ए पॉइंट मान लिया, ये जो इन पॉइंट है। अब हमने ले लिया कि एफ इज ए पाथ, सिंस वी assume that S closure is path connected, so we have taken f is a path such that f of a equal to x and f of b equal to y. Then what we will do, now we will take f inverse of that line, so 0 cross -1 comma 1. Now this is closed set in AB, right? Now since this is a closed set, so it has a maximum element. Maximum element. Okay. So let C be the maximum element. Element where C belongs to that set A, B. क्योंकि हमें पता है then C तो B तो हो नहीं सकता, तो ये A हो सकता है, A, B. Okay. Now then restrict F to that C, B. So that is F is a function. Now say C, B to S closure. Okay. Now we replace C, B by just open interval 0, 1. That is f is a function from 0, 1 to this, such that f of 0 belongs to that set, okay, because it is the maximum point, and f of set t equal to some xt cross sine 1 by xt. So this one for t bigger than 0 and xt also bigger than 0. Did you get this one? What I am saying? So हमें क्या करना है? हम फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्या क्या हो कि एक वर्टिकल से एक पॉइंट लिया हूं और ये इन पॉइंट लिया हूं, ठीक है. देन हमने एक कॉन्टिन्यूअस फंक्शन डिफाइन किया हूं, दैट इज फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट से कोई भी एक पॉइंट टू दिस पॉइंट. तो क्या उसके बाद क्या है कि ए तो क्लोज सेट है, तो इसके इनवर्स इमेज भी क्लोज्ड होगा इन ओपन इन द इंटरवल ए बी. तो इसका मैक्सिमम एलिमेंट भी होगा. सो वी आर टेकिंग दैट मैक्सिमम एलिमेंट, से दैट इज सी. ओके. देन हमें क्या करना है कि सी के पहले जो भी पॉइंट्स है उसको हम रिमूव कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है. अब हम नया एक फंक्शन बना रहा हूँ एफ सी बी में रिस्ट्रिक्ट करके. तो एफ अभी रिस्ट्रिक्ट करके सी और बी से होगा और सी इज द मैक्सिमम एलिमेंट ऑफ दिस सेट. So that's mean whenever you have a element say some bigger than C, then f of C should be in S, not in this vertical line. Okay. So now we replace CB by 0 1. So that's mean f of 0 a vertical line में रहेगा, but जब भी तुम्हारा t 0 से ज्यादा होगा then a vertical line में नहीं रहेगा, तो ये S में रहेगा. So this. So in other words we can say that f of 0 belongs to that vertical line and f of t belongs to S for t bigger than 0. Okay, right. अभी क्या है? Now we will see the just one contradiction. That contradiction is also trivial. Okay. So what kind of contradiction we see? Now here it is, f is continuous, right? Now let Tn equal to 1 by n. Now then Tn converts to 0. Okay. Now since f is continuous, okay, so f of Tn should converge to f of 0. And what is f of 0? F of 0 is belongs to this set 0 cross minus 1 comma 1, right? Now what is f of Tn? F of Tn is this one, right? So now that imply x of Tn that converts to 0 and sine 1 by x of Tn converts to say some number. Okay, we can it's convergent. We can just write convergent. Right? It should be convergent. This is convergent. Okay, fine. Now what we'll do, now since x of Tn converges to 0, now what we'll do, now let zero less than un less than xtn such that sine of 1 by un, okay, now that is equal to minus 1 power n. ओके. सो ऐसे तुम un को चूज कर सकते हो क्योंकि हमें पता है साइन से 2n पाई प्लस n पाई plus 1. No, what is that? N pi plus 1 sin n. Okay. So 3 pi by 2, n pi by 2 is 1, 2 n pi by 2, right? We don't need 2. So,
I think that will sign 2n plus 1 pi by 2.
right, pi by 2. Now this is equal to minus 1 power n, right? Right, if n equal to 1, then that will be 3 pi by 2. No, I'm just a minute. 2n minus 1 pi by 2, right? Now if n equal to 1, then it is pi by 2, that is 1. Now if n equal to 2, then it is 3 pi by 2, right? This fine. So that's when after this manipulation you can find one small number un which is less than this, such that sin 1 by n this. Okay, now, right, now by the intermediate value theorem, now there exists, say, okay, I have taken Tn there. We do not need a Tn, assume, okay. So we can write another number, say yn, right? Okay, we can take Sn. Now there exists Sn in 0, 1 such that x of Sn equal to un. Okay, now then you can see that now Sn tends to 0 and x of Sn, which is un. Now again, since this is tends to 0, so now this is also tends to 0, but sine of 1 by x of Sn, that is sine of 1 by un, that is minus 1 power n. This is not convergent. So thus f of Sn does not convergent. Now this is a contradiction. So this is a contradiction. So anyway, I know you are lost of this one, right? So I will write, and this is also available in the Mooncrest. The main theme is of the proof. So first of all, we take S and we find S closure. S closure is S union this. Now what we will do, we will take a point X from here and Y from here. And we see that actually we will actually prove that there is no path connecting this X and Y. Okay. Now first, if possible, there is a path from X to Y. Then what will be? Now first of all, we take inverse image of this set. Okay, and we take that maximum element. Then we will restrict the domain. We restrict the domain in such a way that at the first point, at the beginning, the image of that is f of a will be this, or by replacing 0 1 we have f of 0 will be in this set, but whenever t is bigger than 0 f of t will be in S. We take in such a function, in such a domain. Okay, so we by manipulating we can take that domain, and then we see that ft equal to xt comma sine 1 by xt. Then by using that intermediate value theorem, we can choose one point which is less than 1 by n. Okay, here it is Sn. Then Sn converts to 0 and x Sn converts to also 0, but x of Tn, that is the next component, that is not convergent, that is oscillating. So therefore f is not convergent because f has two components, this and this. Now this is convergent but this is not convergent. So therefore f is not convergent. So this is a contradiction. So we assume that that is path connected, this is wrong. So that should be not path connected. Okay, so this is the proof. And here we use the intermediate value theorem. Since 0, the event vary between, lies between 0 and x of Tn. So therefore we have a Sn from 0 to Tn. Here we use the continuity of x and the intermediate value theorem. Okay, so this is the proof. Well,